Shivangi wins, someone like Shreya doesn't even deserve to win. Shivangi is still a good person, would prefer anyone over Shreya any day. Shivangi is the winner, while another page confidently says Shreya has already won. बदतमीज औरत को विनर बना दिया। वाह, असली विनर शिवांगी जोशी है। मेकर्स पागल हो गए ऐसे औरत को विनर बनाने में। The Lockup Season 2 grand finale is just around the corner, but even before the official winner is announced, social media is already filled with rumors. Right now, the biggest discussion everywhere is about just two names, Shivangi Joshi and Shreya Kalra. Well, if you open Instagram or YouTube, you will find different posts claiming different winners. Some pages are saying that Shivangi Joshi has won the trophy, while others are claiming that Shreya Kalra is the winner. Because of this, fans are completely confused and don't know which rumor to believe. What's making this even more interesting is that every few minutes, a new post appears with a different claim. One page says Shivangi is the winner, while another page confidently says Shreya has already won. Until now, there has been no official confirmation from the makers, so all these posts should be treated only as rumors. Meanwhile, both Shivangi and Shreya's fans have become very active on social media. Supporters of Shivangi believe that she deserves the trophy and are already congratulating her based on the rumors. On the other hand, Shreya's fans are equally confident and are saying that she is the real winner and deserves this achievement. As a result, the entire social media feed is currently dominated by these two names. Everywhere you look, people are discussing only Shivangi and Shreya. Some are sharing edits, some are posting predictions, and others are simply waiting for the official announcement before believing any winner leaks. Now let's read some comments from social media before ending the video. One user said, I don't like Shreya, but Shivangi seriously. Shivangi ने किया है शो में, लिटरली एक भी रियल फाइट नहीं। इससे अच्छा तो श्रेया ही जीत जाती, एटलीस्ट कंटेंट तो दिया है उसने। प्लस सबके क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को बुलाया, बट शिल्पा और आकांक्षा के एनिमीज को, वो भी आफ्टर सेव एंड रिस्क कंटेस्टेंट्स वर ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड। दिस शो लिटरली हैज नो फॉर्मेट, कुछ भी करते हैं कहीं भी, बायसनेस को हाइड करने का थोड़ा तो ट्राई करो। Another user said, happiest if Shivangi wins. Someone like Shreya doesn't even deserve to win. Shivangi is still a good person, would prefer anyone over Shreya any day. Another user said, बदतमीज औरत को विनर बना दिया। वाह, असली विनर शिवांगी जोशी है। मेकर्स पागल हो गए ऐसे औरत को विनर बनाने में। Another user said, no matter what, but Shivangi Joshi is the real winner. Another user said, कभी-कभी लगता है श्रेया और जजेस के बीच हाफ विनिंग अमाउंट शेयर करने की डील हुई है। Another user said, Ekta Kapoor, please don't make the so-called reality shows from now on. Everything is just scripted. नागिन या कोई और सीरियल्स करो। Well, another user said, honestly, I feel like in Lockup, the winner should be decided by the audience who actually watched the entire journey, not by people from outside who have not followed the game closely. If you have watched from the very beginning till now, it's pretty clear who deserves it. Shreya has shown her game, strength, growth and consistency throughout the show. For me, she is the only one who truly deserves to win. Another user said, after all, it really did feel like Shreya Kalra's show. Everything seemed to revolve around her. Every time she got a special power to eliminate a contestant, it only made the game feel more biased in her favor. Even when the visitors who came into the house often seemed to support only Shreya, which made the favoritism even more obvious. Whether you agree or not, that's the impression the show left on me. It felt like a fair competition and more like everything was set up to benefit one contestant. Well, as you can see, these comments clearly show how excited everyone is for the grand finale. Fans are eagerly waiting for the official announcement, and until then, the discussions between Shivangi and Shreya are only getting bigger. Now, all eyes are on the grand finale to see who will finally lift the Lockup Season 2 trophy. Until the official announcement is made, every winner leak remains just a rumor. So, according to you, who do you think will win Lockup Season 2? Shivangi Joshi or Shreya Kalra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.